Hello there, it is Laura and I am here to show you one of our batteries that we have in our garage as well as the business. So it is the RIDGID 2, there you go, right there. We use this one a lot. We do have multiple sizes of these batteries. So this one, if it goes out, we definitely have other batteries we can use. This is one of the smaller of the two, but it does the job for sure. It has the handy check-o-meter on the back. You just press the button. It tells you, oop, this one's at 25%. So you may not want to start a project right away with that one. But once you get the charger out, then you're able just to pop it in, listen for the click, and it's already charging. Did you see it change right there? It tells you on the charger part, it tells you on the battery back how far it still has to go. So sometimes when you're waiting for a battery, sometimes we're doing jobs, and one of ours runs out of battery faster, and if we forget to charge some other ones, then we could keep an eye on how far it is charging, so we might be able to use it faster than we think. So if you were in need of a simple push and pull battery for your RIDGID, this would be one that I would choose.